What's up, Renegade fan? This is Emilio Palafox from Relationship Renegades, and greetings from Amsterdam here in Vondelpark. And right now I'm going to do a question from one of our members in the Relationship Renegade community. So the question is, how did I break the pattern of going and attracting toxic relationships into more peaceful, playful, fully alive relationships, right? Those healthy and happy relationships. And so in short, I'm gonna really provide this raw, real summary and just go down into some details. So here at Vondelpark, I feel so connected and aligned and grounded and strong and powerful and present and purposeful, surrounded by amazing people like my wife and the friends that I have. And I'm really feel prepared for the inevitable waves of life. But it definitely took me the hero's journey from going from toxic to healthy, happy. So here's how I did it. In summary, men, and men especially, need to break. Let me say that again. Men especially, need to find ways to break. There's beauty in the breakdown. And a lot of times we went through stuff that took our power away. Growing up as kids, in education, our friends, family, and also significantly enough in our relationships where we got heartbroken and we started to build these walls. We started to create characters. We started to put on masks. And why did we do this as men? To make us survive those times, okay? But we must find out what these masks are now. What characters did we build? What walls did we build? Because this is disconnecting us from the peaceful, playful, fully alive relationship that is you and all around you. So why must we break? It may sound scary, but truly it is the block that you're breaking to find who you are and then build from there. When you're breaking the walls that you built. When you break, you're breaking the characters and the masks that you built. And the beautiful part is that these are a part of you, and you can say, hey, take a back seat, or I love you and I wish you well. And what you'll find is this unlimited, beautiful being that is connected to everything and everyone. And you start to see yourself in everyone. You have so much love for yourself because that's what we are, we're love. And that starts to emanate. You start to find that. Because if I don't have love, I can't see love or give love. Now, once you find the unlimited person that you are, you start to attract that. And that unlimited, peaceful, love, joyful, healthy, happy person, you will start to see the reflection all throughout your life. And naturally, you will start to attract friends, family, business, opportunities that will take you to a higher level. And so it's as simply as figuring out, how can I break? How can I go to the extremes as myself? And if it's hard for you to break, it's because you're strong AF. You are strong AF. And that's fortunate, but also unfortunate, for lack of a better word, right? We want to be able to find ways how we can break. Some ways you can break. Find really good friends that you trust and love. Find a men's group near you that can hold space and a safe space to allow that egg to break, if you will. Holotropic breathwork detox. Golden air breathwork, where you're breathing for like 45 minutes to 60 minutes. And there's a whole lot of stuff there that's extreme that allows you to just let go of the prefrontal cortex and the ego. I am this and I am my clothes and I am the house I have and I am the car I drive. It's breaking and removing all of that to see who you are inside. The extreme temperatures of sauna, cold plunge. There's different ways of perceiving these things. But all in all, it's finding all the ways that you can crack little by little by little by little by little until in divine timing, your time where you break. And you have people there that are loving you and surrounding you, either guided with you, just talking it out, where you're screaming or crying or hugging or laughing or loving, or it might be by yourself with God, source, universe, whatever you want to call it, and having that personal connection where you're breaking and allowing all the beauty to happen. But the thing is, look, don't be afraid. The most incredible thing lies right outside that. You will literally be you will be caught by the inevitable net of overwhelming love. And so know that when you're going into these things and you're allowing yourself to crack little by little until you break and actually get to feel and experience who you really are. And life will never be the same. I love you, and happy breaking.
And as always, guys, if you like this one, make sure and like, comment,
Yeah,
share,
like,
and
comment,
subscribe.
share, subscribe.
Share this with someone you think might need to hear it.
Love you so much.
Love you guys.